Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel guys. In today's video we'll be working on a Chevy Cruze guys, and we'll show you if your front windshield washers, okay, the washer for the windshield wiper doesn't work guys. Okay, you try to spray but there is no water coming out. It could be of course a few reasons for that. It could be broken hose, it could be burnt fuse, it could be bad pump, or you could be out of fluid. But in today's video guys we will explain how to guys actually find the fuse for the washer, okay, front washer. Stay with us, that's what we will be doing. In the meantime guys, we will have more than 200 videos on this car guys, because our goal is to save you as much money as we can by providing all these videos. All we need guys in return, please subscribe to the channel, give a like and drop a comment, okay, for any reason guys that you want to share, what you like, what you don't, so we can improve and make better videos for you. So, that windshield washer guys, okay, the fuse is located, okay, in the fuse box under the hood. So those are the spray nozzles, okay, right here, these spray nozzles. If they don't spray anything, okay, this is your reservoir here, the pump is on the back, underneath. We'll have a video guys how to replace it and all that coming soon. But the fuse is right here in this, under this cover. So we need to go ahead and remove it guys. We have 1, 2, 3 clips. So we need to squish on each side guys. Pull up. Perfect. Now once you open it guys, you're going to need to find guys fuse number. Okay, wait, let me get the camera in a good angle. Fuse number 56. Okay, it will be this fuse guys right here. So we will use the fuse puller here. You have 1, 2 that you pull back and then you can pull it out. Get on top of the fuse, lock it like that, pull it out. Now squish on the back side, get that thing out guys. Most of the times you can tell if the fuse is burnt, in our case it is. So you can definitely guys tell that this fuse is bad. Now I'll go ahead, okay, let me grab the replacement fuses quick. I'm actually guys going to show you how to test the fuse quick, because some of you will not know for sure, and sometimes you cannot tell for sure if the fuse is burned. Like some of the fuses are not the clear ones, so it's hard to see. You can use just a voltmeter guys. This one will be listed in the description of the video below for your convenience. We'll set it to testing here, continuity testing, and if we set, okay, this one is a good fuse now, check it out. Now the good fuse guys, it's going to show zeros, that there is communication from one end of the fuse to the other one. Now let me get the bad fuse quick and show you what the bad fuse does. There is absolutely nothing guys. So check out guys, in the description of the video we'll have all the fuses listed as well. That whole box guys, we couldn't believe that we got it for such a good deal, to be honest with you. And now all we have to do, replace it with a new one, just like that. So this is pretty much it guys. Don't forget to put your fuse puller here as well. So thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos and see you guys next time.